Hello friends, today, I want to show you how to solve the iPhone 11 short circuit. Let's solve the problem after the intro. As you see in the screen of digital meter of the voltage. Let's set the board into the heating machine to apart the board. Apart the parts with tweezer. And let's check with thermometer to find the IC condition good or bad or any kind of defect. Use the heat gun to remove infected IC from the board. And measure the voltage of IC with multimeter as you see in the screen. Let's check the repaired board, is it working or not? Now, put it again in the heating board and put together part by part. So, short circuit problem is solved and fix the board in mobile. Bind the screws and fix the wires. Let's check whether is it working or not. It's working. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share with others.